Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're actually trying to find the fuse for the ignition switch, stay with us. We will explain, guys, okay, where that fuse is located. You actually have two fuses and one of them is not called ignition switch, so make sure to stay until the end and we will explain why it's very important to test your fuses before you install them. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So as you can see, guys, we're in the engine compartment of that Kia Optima. You have one fuse box right here, one tap here, squish, pull straight up. On the back side you have the fuses listed, but what we did actually, guys, okay, we printed the back side of the fuse box so we can show with a great detail, okay, where those fuses are located. The first fuse, guys, it's very, okay, it's actually very obvious. It's known as IGN. This is for ignition 1, and it's that fuse right here, guys. It's supposed to be a 40 amp fuse. Somebody put a 30 amp fuse in that Kia Optima, and that shouldn't be that way. It should be a 40 amp fuse. Always concealed on the back side of your cover. You will be able to see what fuse you need, so always check that. But this second fuse from left to right, this fuse is for the ignition, okay, for the ignition switch. Now you have, guys, another fuse as well for that ignition switch, and it's very hidden. Now before we continue, let me tell you, guys, it's very important to test fuses, because you may think you have a good fuse, or sometimes the new fuses that you get may not be even good. Always test them before you install them in the car. It takes a few seconds, and we'll put a link to a video that explains how to properly test the fuse. So the second fuse for the ignition switch, guys, is if you come right here, this is the multi-fuse, guys, for that vehicle. It consists of 8 fuses. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the one on the very right side, guys, okay, right here, this is known as IPB+2. This fuse right here. This fuse is the one for the ignition switch and the engine starter as well, guys. Very important fuse. Okay, so check this fuse. Usually you can see through the glass if it's burnt or not. In some cases you may need to test it, and we'll have a special video how to test a multi-fuse on Kia Optima on our channel. You'll be able to find it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.